Hi there, your computer friend Connie here with another Excel tip for you. This one is all about doing formulas really fast. So if you have done a formula before in Excel that you know that you can do one and then copy it across, I'm going to show you one better than that. I need a formula here for savings. And so the formula for savings is just taking the income and minusing the expenses, right? So that makes sense. But I want to have it populate all these cells here. So rather than doing one and then copying it, I'm going to have it do one time. So I'm going to select this whole area and then I'm going to type in my formula. So equals, and I like to click on it so I know exactly which one I'm talking about, equals the income minus the expenses. And then rather than hit enter and then have to copy, I'm going to Control-Enter. That's the trick, people. Hold the control key down. I have it all selected ahead of time. That's why it's going to work. Control key and then enter, and there you go. It's all added in there for you. So all those totals put in at one time. That's your quick tip for today. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want more quick tips with us, please join us in our Facebook group because you're just one click away from saving hours in your day. Thanks. Bye for now.